Do you want to analyze the data which are affecting for your business outcome? In this episode, I am going to talk about one of the AI powered visual into Power BI, which is Key Influencer Visual. Key Influencer Visual helps to understand the factors that are affecting for our business outcome. Let's consider an example of one of the sales funnel. For any organization, sales funnels start from the inquiry, and at the end, the outcome will be either win or lose. Either customer is purchasing the item or he will not purchase the item. As a business owner, you wanted to know all the factors affecting to that. At that time, the AI powered Key Influencer Visual helps you a lot. Now, let's get started and talk more about this feature in detail. But before that, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram and Twitter so far, do follow me. The Insta and Twitter IDs are here and in the description box. So without further delay, let's get started and talk about Key Influencer Visual. Over here I am on my machine, and over here you can see that I have sales data. I have already created one Key Influencer Visual. First of all, let me show you what is the end outcome that we want to achieve over here. So here I have stored the different sales data where I am storing the information in different account, campaign, cases, contacts, industry, opportunities, owners, products and territory table. All the tables are in relationship with each other. Now as a business owner, I want to analyze that. What are the main key influencing reason for winning the opportunity, and what are the key important influences for losing the opportunity, so I can take an action on top of that. So let's say for an example, here I have selected my opportunity as 1, and let's say these are the key factor which are affecting to that. So let's say for an example, when discount goes up 0.2%, then the status being won increased by 3.09x time. When the sales owner is Molly, at that time as well, the won status increased by 1.5 times. So this is showing me the confidence that, this is the sales owner. When she is working on that, at that time, there is a more chance to win the opportunity. Same way, let's say for whenever the product is tablets, at that time as well, the win opportunity is increased by 1.5x time. And over here it is showing you the detailed outcome as well. Also, it is showing you the top segments as well, that what are the key factor when there is a chance of 100% won opportunity. So as a owner, this insights helpful you a lot. Now let me try to explain you this thing from scratch. Let's create our from scratch Key Influencer Visual, and let's try to understand the analytics which are provided by this visualization. So let's get started. So over here, what I'm doing here is I'm just taking one more new page, and first of all I need to add Key Influencer Visual. For that, go to the visualization section, and over here we have an option for Key Influencer. So let's select that, and now let's increase the size of the visualization. Now over here we need to drag the fields. So first of all, here I just wanted to analyze the opportunity of win or lose. So for that, what I'm searching here for my opportunity column. So in my opportunity table, I have a status column which is showing the opportunity is win or lose. So when I add that, it is showing me 3 status: won, open and lost. Let's keep everything as is at this moment. Now I need to add which are the factor I want to analyze. So as a developer or as a decision maker, I need to decide that which are the factors which I can add here to analyze the data. So let's say for an example, I can add the different factor like product, product group. So I'm just adding product, product category. Then maybe I want to analyze by territory as well, that in which territory there is a highest sale. Also, I can decide by discount. So I can just drag a field discount. I can add the factor like industry, in which industry I have highest sale, and I can add the salesperson name as well along with the manager name. So I will just search for sales owner. I can add manager. So let me just add manager. And here we are all done. Alright, so now it is showing me the insights like this. Now let me just change the status for won, which means that opportunity win during this time. So when the sales owner is Molly Clerk, the likelihood of status being won increased by 1.5%, which is great. Whenever I'm selecting it, it is showing me the insights over here. And if you just wanted to see the values that are influencers, you can just select this tick mark and it is showing the only influencers value. Alright, then the sales opportunity is won when the discount is more than 5.5%. So whenever the discount is more, people are allowed to purchase the product. Okay, so it is showing this when product is tablet at that time as well, it is increasing the sell. Also, one more thing, like over here we have top segment section. So in top segment, what it will show is over here, it is percentage of status when is won. So in 84.5% cases, when product category is software and owner is Molly Clerk, there is more likelihood to won the opportunity. It is showing you this count. It is showing the different segments over here. Like let's say if there is a 71% of chance when discount is greater than 3.2 and less than or equal to 3.7%, and manager is this one and product is this one and sole owner is not Molly and territory is not US West. At that time there is a chance that 71% opportunity to win. Okay, so these are the detail level of insights it provides. And also when you click on learn more about the segment, it is showing you the more insight as well inside the specific segment. So when I click it, it started analyzing it and it is showing the more insights for the different sales owner, for lose, win and open opportunity, and it is comparing the proportions as well. Now the main beauty of key influencer visual is that it is supporting cross filtering as well. So let's say we have seen from scratch key influencer visual preparation process. But now let's say for an example, I just wanted to filter my data based on the specific category or subcategory. Let's say I'm just clicking on computers for the category. So what happened here is it is showing the main factors that are affecting for computers. So over here we have seen that when product is tablet at that time, there is a chance of 1.43 times to win the opportunity. And let's say for an example, now I'm selecting furniture over here. So let's say during the furniture time, when territory is US West, there is a 1.4x time more chances to win the opportunity. Okay, and when territory is Australia, there is 1.41 times chance to win the opportunity because furniture is mostly sold in the Australian region. Okay, same way you can check the different top segment. So when you go with 100%, it is showing that when manager is lost parents and sales owner is Molly Clerk, there is a 100% chance to win the opportunity. So as a business owner or as an analyst, I can get a better insight of my data. And this is fully powered by AI. No human interaction is here. And you can see that if I need to prepare this kind of visualization from scratch using DEX, how much effort it will take. It is just by dragging and dropping couple of field and what are the main thing you want to analyze here, and depending on that, key influencer visual shows the insights over here. Now let me talk about one more important thing about key influencer visual, which is for format property. So when you go to your format property, there is an option for analysis and there is an option count. So at this moment it is only showing you the important factor that are affected for your data. Now let's say you wanted to show the specific count as well. So there is an option for count as well. So over here there is an option sort by count or sort by impact. So when you click on count, it is showing the count data over here to you, and in count as well there is a relative as well as absolute way for doing the analysis. So based on your requirement, you can choose it, and you can change the bubble color and the different things from this former property. So just try it by your own and just create your key influencer visual. So that's how the overall key influencer visual will look like. So that's it for key influencer visual. Hope you will get a clear idea on this visual, and if you have any thoughts on this visual, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. So that's it for today. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from me. If you are looking for any consultation, the website link is available on the channel header. Let's work together. Also, if you are looking for any Hindi content as well as short content on Power Platform, I created a dedicated channel on that. Subscribe that channel and show your love over there as well. With this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session with some amazing content. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.